Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. So tonight we're up in the Aya Peninsula and we're going to be cooking up some spicy beef noodles tonight. So let's get stuck into it. Alright guys, so we've got everything pre-prepared, water's on, our wok's on, our new fry pans, everything's all pre-prepared from home. We've marinated the beef, all the veggies and that are pre-cut, noodles, even the sauces are pre-done too. So looking good. Alright, so as that's browning off, open up your noodles, drop them in. Again, these only need a few minutes just to loosen them up. Just do 2 packets at a time and then set them aside, depending on your portions. And these are just Pocky noodles. You can get any brand. These are from Coles. They're really good pre-packaged, 2 per serve. Alright, now the sauce I've already pre-mixed into these little bags. Now I'm just using dried garlic just to make it easier. This is going to be super saucy. Don't worry about too much sauce because the noodles are going to soak up a lot of that flavour. Alright, like I said, these don't take long at all. Take them off, set them aside. Don't overcook them, or else they become too mushy. And then turn this pan off and set aside, because you need 3 pans, but we're going to try and make do with 2. Alright, so the first 2 steps are complete. Now we're just going to put a bit more oil in the pan. And we're going to fry off the veggies. Now, because these haven't properly defrosted, these might take a little bit extra. Alright guys, put your mince back on. Veggies are all nicely stir fried up. Guys, you want to come over here and we'll sit at the table? Combine the leaves. Add the noodles. throw in some spring onions. And then some sesame seeds. And there we go. That's a bit of chili oil.
Do you get lighting credits now?
Good point.
When he scrolls up, it just says useful guy.
Very little writing. Thank you.
There you go. And again, there's chili oil.
Chili.
Alright guys, so that was the spicy beef noodle stir fry. Come up really nice. I was a bit iffy on the veggies, how they would come out and whatnot. It's all come together really nicely, very tasty. Easily fed 4 people, probably feed 5, not an issue. Just throw in an extra pack of the noodles and that was enough to cover the rest. But again, that was pretty simple. Most of that was all prepped at home. Again, using the dried garlic was perfect. I ended up using fresh ginger, but next time I'll probably just use dried ginger, make it nice and simple. Really easy. So again, I'll pop up the recipe in the description. There'll be links to ReciMe where you'll find that there. And yeah, that's definitely a staple that'll be in my camping cookbook, should I say, each time we go camping, nice and easy. All right guys, as per usual, thanks very much. And again, see you out in the trail, see you out in the road, or see you in the next video. And again, as per usual, like, subscribe, share it around, and look out for future cooking videos. Thanks guys, cheers, bye.